now I'm going to brief about two commands. One is copy element URI and another one is navigate by URI commands. So before that, so if I want to ask any of my team members to find a specific element in his mission for some reason, so I have to tell him all the details like project name, model, and element name. So and send all these details, tell all these details in a call or via chat, and copy paste or look for a specific element. So it is a time consuming thing if you are having big models and there are many projects are imported in the tool. So now if we use copy element URI command, so it will provide a unique ID for that element, and with that ID, so we can easily navigate, find and select that element in the project explorer using project navigate by URI command. So let's say in project explorer, if I use a copy element URI, so it will gives an unique ID for this std string class. So just if I paste this navigate by URI command, so this URI looks like this. Let me cancel this and show you. So now it, maybe I can also collapse everything. So so if I paste the string in this dialog and click OK, so it will go to that project and find that element and also expand the model and this element, find that element and select that element. So far so good. And if I want to ask my colleague to go to a specific editor and look at some specify line number, so I need to guide them editor name and line number, like decode function body and go to this line number 42. So that is still a manual process. So now this copy element URI option is available in code view and as well as the code editor. Let me open an editor for some element. See here in the code view, copy element URI is available, and also here in the code view, code editor also same thing is available. So what this command, the new command does in these two places is, so if I right click and click copy element URI menu option, so it will copy three things. Yeah. So as usual, the first part is element URI, which is an unique ID for that element, and the editor name after pipeline character. So it will be it is an editor name followed by colon and line number. So where cursor was there while copying this string from the editor. So if I press OK now, so as usual, it will go to that element in Project Explorer. And extra thing is it will open editor and also goes to that line number. These are the improvements done in these two commands. Usually, so we are able to see these element URIs in multiple places like TC files. So if I go to code view tab, so we'll see this kind of strings in code view in the TC editor. So simply we can copy and paste it in the chart and ask team members look for this element and for some reason. So we can use navigate by URI command easily find this element in the project explorer. and also in generated source file. Let me click on this hyperlink in code editor. So it will go to this uh, code in the generated source file in CPP file. So now it also support these kind of strings uh, in the generated source file. If I copy this and paste it in the navigate by URI command, it will so it contains only the element name, element URI ID and the editor name, but it doesn't contains this line number. So if you want, we can manually edit this dialog and specify the line number. In this case, it will go to that line number. So since I mentioned line number is 9, this code snippet doesn't have that line number. It indicates that when I copied it from copied this string, it has this many line of zoom. So these many numbers this code snippet has, and whoever the recipients receive this string, so they don't have the proper version in their mission, so they can check out correct code base and again execute this command. It will go to that line number. So one more improvements in done in this copy element URI for the type descriptor functions is earlier it was not working this copy element URI for the function type descriptor functions. So now it will it was working. So now it also copy this editor name only for the type descriptors in the project explorer. So that is extra one more improvement we have done in this sprint. Yeah.